Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix PlayStation 5 randomly turns off. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. As you can see guys right here, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And if you go here to the top, you're gonna find your games. Here you're gonna find media, search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if your PlayStation 5 randomly turns off, this might mean a lot of things. One of the reasons why your PlayStation 5 turns off randomly is maybe your PlayStation 5 storage is full. So first of all, go ahead and check your storage. Just go to settings, and then once you go to settings, here you're gonna find storage. And if you find your PlayStation 5 full, just go back and then make sure you delete some of the games you have, maybe some games that you don't play. Also, you can go here to the media gallery, and if you have a lot of videos, they might also take some storage, so make sure you delete all of the videos you don't need to free up some space. Once you do that, you can just go and click on the PS button on your controller. Then right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of these settings. Here you're gonna find home, switcher, notifications, game base, and so on. Go here to the right and click on power. Then make sure you restart your PlayStation 5, and then once it's restarted, it should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.